In today's video, we're focusing on the training section of MikroTik website. We'll go step by step through the main training area and its categories, so you can quickly find courses, certifications, and learning resources, and understand what each section offers. The training menu includes 6 subcategories: About, Schedule, Training Center and Trainers, Academies, Train the Trainer, and Certificate Search. Note that Training and Schedule both takes you to the same page. From there, you can browse upcoming courses and filter by region, country, location, course type, and language. The About page explains how MikroTik training and certification works. It describes who the training is for, the differences between training centers and MikroTik Academies. MikroTik training centers are independent companies or individuals who run official training and certification exam using their own materials, and they're not affiliated with MikroTik or each other, so you contact them directly for courses. MikroTik Academies are schools and institutions that teach semester-based networking courses using routeros, and this page shows their locations on a map. And the certification path starting with MTC and A, then moving to more advanced and expanded certifications. At the bottom, you can see the MikroTik Training FAQ. Clicking Training Centers and Trainers opens the location finder. You can choose a course and find the closest trainers or training centers near you, along with their contact detail and the other courses they offer. The Academy links takes you to the same location finder page, either from the top menu or from the Academies section under Trainers and Training Center section. Below the location section, you'll find 2 brochure PDF download links, one in English and the other in Spanish, that explain the MikroTik Academy program. Right under the brochure, there is a checklist of requirements for schools interested in joining the MikroTik Academy program. This section explains how to apply, either by filling out the online form or sending the PDF application by email or fax. At the bottom of the page, there is an Academy FAQ covering common questions about the program. The Train the Trainer page explains how to become an official MikroTik trainer. It lists the eligibility requirements, outlines the course content, and includes an option to get notified when a Train the Trainer course is scheduled in your region. The Certificate Search page lets you verify MikroTik certifications by searching for a name. It shows the matching certificates along with the key details for verification. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a complete understanding of the new MikroTik website. If there's anything, we appreciate your comments and feedback, so feel free to drop your questions and comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming videos.